Calculate the mean deviation about median for the following data. So here's our data. We have class and frequency 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and the frequencies are 6, 7, 15, 16, 4, and 2. Now pause the video, try this on your own. Find the mean deviation about median for this data set. Okay, let's do this together. Before we find the mean deviation about median, the first thing that we need to do is figure out what the median is. For that, let's get the cumulative frequency out. So cumulative frequency, adding a new column here. This is 6, 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 15, 28, 28 plus 16, 44, 44 plus 4, 48, and 48 plus 2 is 50. This means the total number of observations in this data is 50. Sigma fi is going to be 50, or we can say that n is equal to 50. Now median is going to be the value in the middle. Half of 50 is 25. Let's see where that value is. Cumulative frequency is 28 here and 13 here. This means this is the class that we need to look at. This is where our median is going to be. The lower limit of this class is 20. The cumulative frequency till this class is going to be 13. We've covered 13 entries till this class. So C is 13. The frequency of this class is 15 and the size of all these classes is 10. H is 10. We'll use these values to figure out the median. The formula for median is going to be L plus n by 2 minus C by F times H. So plugging in values of L, N, C, F, and H, we can get the median. So let's do that. Our median is going to be L is 20 plus N is 50. 50 by 2 is 25 minus C is 13 divided by F is 15 times H is 10. This is 25 minus 13, 12. 12 by 15 is 4 by 5. So this is 20 plus 4 by 5 of 10. This is 2. 4 times 2 is 8. So our median is 20 plus 8. That's 28. So using this formula, we've figured out what the median is. Now that we have the median, we can figure out the mean deviation about the median. But because we have classes, we have to first convert this into a discrete set. So let's have a representative for each class. Let's get the midpoints out. So the midpoints for each class is, let's label them xi. That's 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, and 55. We'll use these points as xi. Now let's figure out the deviation about median. So mod of xi minus m, here m is the median. So 5 and 28 are 23 units apart. 5 minus 28 is minus 23. Mod of minus 23 is 23. 15 and 28 are 13 units apart. 25 and 28, 3 units apart. Then 35 minus 28 is 7. 45 minus 28 is 17. And 55 minus 28 is going to be 27. So this is mod of xi minus m. But because this appears 6 times, the frequency is 6, and this appears 7 times, these deviations will also appear that many times. So let's multiply this with fi. Let's add another column, fi mod of xi minus m. So 23 times 6, that's going to be 120 plus 18, that's 138. 13 times 7 is 91. 15 times 3 is 45. 16 times 7 is going to be 112. 4 times 17, that's 68. And 2 times 27, that's 54. We'll add all of these up. Let's see. 13 plus 9 is 22, plus 4, 26, plus 11, 37, plus 11, 48. Now add the units place. We have 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, plus 2, 16, plus 12, that's 28. So this is going to be 508. Okay. So that's our sum of all of these values. Now to find the mean deviation about median, we'll divide this with the total number of observations, that's 50. So mean deviation about median, that's 1 by n, sum of sigma fi mod of xi minus m. So that's 508 by 50. That's going to be, so times 2 is 1016. So that's going to be 10.16. So this is the mean deviation about median for data. Now let's summarize. To find the mean deviation about median for these questions, the first step is to find the cumulative frequencies. Once we have that, we'll figure out the median. The formula for median is L plus n by 2 minus C by F times H. Once we have the median, we'll figure out the deviations of midpoints of classes from median and take their absolute values. That's mod of xi minus median. And once we have these deviations, we'll multiply them with the respective frequencies and take the sum. That's sigma fi mod of xi minus m. We divide this sum by n, the total number of observations, to get the mean deviation about median. That's 1 by n of sigma fi mod of xi minus m.